Multiply 3.74 by 100 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. The third partial product is 37,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. In the thousands column, 0 plus 7 is 7. In the 10,000s column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 37,400. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 37,400 becomes 374.00. That is simply 374. So 3.74 times 100 is 374.